Hey guys, I had an issue with those hooks on the 2007 Scion XB. So I'm going to show you what I did. So basically, those hooks where you hook up like the net and the back thing that they put on top to cover, all of those things broke off. So what I did was I removed those and I replaced it with these, which is actually hooks for helmets that I got on eBay. So basically you're gonna just have to purchase one of these, this thing right here. Then I replaced the bolts that came in here with 2.5, and there's 6M metric right there, like here. And so this is what it looks like right there. And they don't go flush, so when you remove these I already loosened this, so let's take it out. Just take the old one out and you'll get this. So as you can see, there's a lot of space, so I ended up having to get some washers, and I got these washers from Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those, and they pretty much just give you the gap. So here, let me take these out of the package. Okay, so these what those washers look like. They're one of them is like this. And the other one is like this, right here. This is that one. See, and then the other one is this one. If you guys want to see, right here. And the bolts are this. M6. So okay, so we got this one, and I got this one. So what I need to do is I need to put this one on first. Let's see, it's hard to do with one hand. I'm not used to doing this video thing, but I thought this might be helpful for some people that have this issue. And this other one goes last. It goes in here. Sorry about that. Okay. Then this thing right here fits perfectly in there. Put it in there. So just kind of hold it when you're putting in there. You don't want to put too much torque. I'm just trying to do this one-handed, so I'm going to hold that in place. Okay, like that. Okay. And as you can see, it's tight. I'll show you the other side. This is when it's done, so you could see it's really strong. Now you could put these hooks that I ended up putting over here for while it was broken, and then you could put these in there, and the other side in here for that hook. See that? Just gotta tighten it. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just put a like if you want. Just thought it would be helpful. Thanks.